Greetings, everyone. Today, I am looking at the revised Fundamental of Industrial Techniques NSC approach. This is workbook 1 for grade 8. We say grade 8, but we know that this content in this book is useful for CSEC. And in some schools, they use it at grade 9, grade 10, and grade 11. A large number of CSEC material comes directly from this book. And we looked at the SBA, and we have incorporated a great amount of the core in this. So this book covers now safety. First part is safety, covers safety, more safety, general personal, tool safety, incident report. Incident report in this incident report, and it's very colorful. Structure of a tree, we covered that. That's a different part of the tree. So instead of students writing in this space, they would choose from these to fill in those. We have the draw and fully label the construction of a tree. This comes on CSEC, parts of a tree. So we made this book really easy. We have like true and false and matching items, matching. Topic is seasoning, moisture content, defects in timber, more defects activities, metal, ferrous, non-ferrous, use of metal, raw material or manufacturing of steel, plastic, aggregate, introduction to technical drawing. If we look deeply on the core, so we have covered this. We have this is from the core, report, design analysis, graphic communication. So we have covered this in the book as well. Yeah, so a good part of the SBA is covered in this. So we add some important topics, and we also remove some of the topics that are not being used in school across the island. Dimension and technique, basic geometry, and now what we have brought back these basic geometry because this is on the curriculum, and what we have done is what is being used by some schools overseas, wherein they no longer use table. Drawings are done in the book. So construction is done right there in the book. So here we have it, the geometric construction is done right here in the book. So here we have another example of the work being done in the book. Note, they do not need to shade inside here. I simply shade that for emphasis. So here is a triangle. So everything can be done in the book. This covers most of the basic geometry that they will need. We have angles, division of line, and we have tools around here. With joint, finishing material, with finishing, adhesive, fasteners, energy, decorative finish. So we have everything. All of these are from. Of course, we have our projects. Lots of projects at the back. Projects, and these projects they tie into the CSEC. We have the design process and product analysis at the back. So this book, Fundamentals of Industrial Techniques NSC Approach Workbook 1, it says grade 8, but this is good for grade 8 up to grade 11. It covers a good amount of the CSEC material. It covers a good amount of the SBA. So the SBA should not be a challenge. We have incident report, we have design process, we have product analysis. All of that, all those topics are part of the SBA. And of course, a good amount of the past paper questions come directly from that. And here we have the SBA guideline, which are used in here. So we have this covered, those covered, yeah.